Who's that out there? Hello, lady! You finding any gold? Did ya?
Don't get it too close to me. I can't.
You're into the sun, lady. I can't see you.
They're telling me, please. I've been here quite a few days.
No, get back a bit. Sun, lady. In the sun. That's it. That'll do,
what
lady.
What are you doing to me? Quite a few days I've been out here, and I don't see nobody. And I'm so much hungry and so much thirsty. You think maybe you can...
would you like a bit of sex too?
Oh, how big one you got? 10 inch?
No,
if you got 10 inch one, I say yes.
No, I'm sorry.
How much?
No, only 4.
4? Even 4.5 I would say yes. But not 4. No way. It's a very big area here, isn't it? I don't know where all this gold could be.
Yeah.
And where are you going?
I'm going down the road.
Which road? This one here?
Yeah, this one.
Where this one take you?
I don't know.
I was going down this way.
Were you?
Yeah, I think there's a creek there. I was going to have the wash. So maybe I continue on and I might see you later.
Yeah, all right then. Bye, lady.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Next time you do put the kettle on for me, please.
Yes, all right then.
And make sure you got a 10 inch one and I come in for sure. Bye-bye.
Bye.